Roast. Roast. Meaning to cook food in an oven or over fire. Examples: roast the chicken for 1 hour. Roast the meat until tender. She roasted vegetables for dinner. Deep fry. Deep fry. Meaning to cook food completely covered in hot oil. Examples: deep fry the chicken until golden. She deep fried the potatoes. Restaurants often deep fry snacks. Pan fry. Pan fry. Meaning to fry food in a pan with some oil. Examples: pan fry the fish until crispy. She pan fried the meat. She prepared the fish in a pan fry. Bake. Bake. Meaning to cook food using dry heat in an oven. Examples: bake the cake at 180 Celsius. She baked fresh bread. Bake cookies for 15 minutes. Grill. Grill. Meaning to cook food on a grill with direct heat. Examples: he grilled chicken outdoors. Grill vegetables for extra flavor. Grill the fish for 5 minutes. Toast. Toast. Meaning to brown food using heat. Examples: toast the bread lightly. She toasted the sandwich. Toast nuts for better flavor. Steam. Steam. Meaning to cook food using hot steam. Examples: steam fish for a light meal. Steam the vegetables to keep them healthy. She steamed the rice perfectly. Cook. Cook. Meaning to prepare food using heat. She cooks dinner every evening. I like to cook healthy meals at home. He is cooking pasta right now. Boil. Boil. Meaning to cook food in very hot water. Boil the water before adding rice. She boiled the eggs for breakfast. Boil the potatoes until soft. Simmer. Simmer. Meaning to cook slowly in hot liquid just below boiling. Examples: simmer the soup for 20 minutes. Let the sauce simmer gently. The curry is simmering on low heat. Thank you for watching. Listen again and repeat to improve your English speaking. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and practice every day.